yoga posture fundamentals. In this part 5 of 6-part series of SIRSASANA, we're going to focus on donkey kicks. It's a very fun practice. You're going to begin in dolphin pose. Find your alignment. And begin to walk your toes closer to your elbows, as close as possible. Now here I want to pull your attention to your foundation. Make sure your elbows stacked under your shoulders. Okay? Very important to engage your fingertips. Each knuckle pressing down into the ground to feel strong and firm here. Make sure to keep your core engaged. Alright? You can run your back. Continue to walk your toes toward your elbows. Elevate your spine this time, bend your left knee. Exhale, kick your right knee up. Donkey kick. Twice. One more. Good job. Good. Alright. We're gonna work the other side, left leg. Whenever you're ready. Keep your hips squared to the ground. Walk your toes toward your elbows and exhale. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, kick your left leg high. 1 and 2. Good. Come to your knees to reset. Take your break. And repeat that 2 to 3 times. That was part 5, donkey kicks. Make sure to check out my next tutorial, SIRSASANA part 6. I hope you had fun. Have a good day. Namaste.